Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what are the different ways to keep an iPhone in a silent mode. The first thing, guys, you have to do is put a notch down so that it will be in a silent mode. Exactly here. Okay. The second method, we can do it from the settings itself. Okay, we'll see that. So go inside settings, type sound and haptics, click on that. So you can see ringtone and alerts is there. The volume is big. You can reduce the volume to the left-hand side here. If you want to do a silent mode, you just have to reduce the volume. Now I've reduced the ringtone and alerts. I have put into minimal mode. So this will turn the iPhone into a silent mode. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.